We started at 2012. Before that, our reconciliation was very manual. In Excel, no workflow, no approval. After that, we changed our process and moved to Trintech. Then we start to focus on more automate processes and be more quality, better improvements. Our process start to be best in class.
The biggest advantage was in 2017 when we switched from our premise system to Cadency on cloud, which enabled us to use JE module and helped us to post journal entries and also to automate that process, which we are doing now around 30% of all of the journal entries. To the companies who are thinking about digitizing their process and improve their process, it will be the best solution to move to the cloud technologies, to enable the more automations and enable them to use the tool in the most efficient ways. The most exciting way of this job and working with the Trintech tools is the cooperation, because every time when we are on the road to get to the desired results, we can have their support, and they are trying to improve the process also from their side to help us to achieve our goals.